Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 36-inch extra tall baby gate for stairways, doorways, openings up to 29.5 inch all the way up to 48.8 inches wide. So previously I had purchased a wooden gate to keep our husky in the kitchen because we are potty training. We did experience some issues. She was able to climb over using the little hole, so I decided to purchase this gate. You can see from this gate right here, there's no way she can put her feet in there. The great thing is pressure mounted, no need to punch. It is one-hand operation, double locking system. So the other one was just a lift and turn. This one here actually acts as a door. So you do get a couple of these ones. I did not need this part as my door is not that big. So it does have where if you have a bigger door, you just add this little piece on. It has an auto close and dual direction opening. 90 degrees. Keep operating at 90 degrees. It closes right after you. So this is my little husky. She is 10 weeks old. The other gate, she got her feet in there and she climbed up and over. The great thing about this, it has a lock mechanism. You just push this back, lift that up, and it opens up. So when you go in or go out, it automatically closes up. So she's not able to get out of this one. It is a steel designed dog gate that can defend up against 100-pound pups. So this will hold Rottweilers, Doberman Pinschers, Huskies, German Shepherds. I like this because she can't get her feet in there and climb over. So it does have these extra caps. So the way my walls work, it did not work unless I put the caps in to get a really snug fit because the other part would not fit. It's not that long. So I just put it up at the top. It is super easy. I did not have to use any tools. I just make sure that it was, see these metal things at the bottom? You just push them in. Those bottom things there hold it in place. And then I put the caps at the top. So that right there gave me a nice tight seal. My dog is not able to jump over. She's not able to climb under or in between the bars. I would definitely say if you're looking for a bigger gate that definitely holds a bigger dog that can't climb over, I would highly recommend this gate right here.